Never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you're gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you're dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you're gonna get is battle scars.
What can I say? I need more than desire, more than just a pretty face. So girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Only one love at the side of the fire. Someone who can handle me. Someone cut your heart too deep. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cleaning out my refrigerator. We had just got back home from doing our weekly grocery shopping and I need to put the groceries away. But before I do that, I'm going to clean the fridge out and wipe everything down that we bought.
Watching you every move, I watch every move. Wanna be somebody too.
So the first thing I'm going to do is wipe everything down with my Lysol hydrogen peroxide cleaner. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to put away all the items that belong outside in the refrigerator. And then we are going to put away all the items that belong in the freezer. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to take everything out of the refrigerator so that I can wipe it down. If you're new here, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I would love for you to leave a comment down below to say hi and introduce yourself. I'm Tiffany. I'm a wife and mother of 2, and I love to create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you enjoy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that bell before you go. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. So my refrigerator isn't that bad. It never really is. I just needed to wipe down the shelves and throw out a few things that had gone bad. I'm pretty good about keeping it organized. I'm always wiping the outside down whenever I clean the kitchen, but I like to take everything out and wipe it down about once a month. Y'all leave me a comment down below and let me know how often you clean your fridge out. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the eggs away. I'm going to switch them over from the carton to this basket. What I'm doing is I'm taking the white eggs out. We had to buy brown eggs that day because they didn't have any more white eggs. So I'm going to put the brown eggs on the bottom and then I'm just going to put the white ones on top. This way I'll just use all the white ones first.
Feel it in my body, feel it in my feet, and it feels so good inside.
And now I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the groceries away. My rugs needed to be washed that day, so I'm going to take a minute to go ahead and get those put in the washing machine. But before I get those rugs in the wash, I'm going to go ahead and refill my laundry soap and my fabric softener. And then I'm going to put away the paper towels and toilet paper that we bought that day. And now I'm going to go ahead and wash all of the fruit that we got so that I can get it put away.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go too fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
And now I'm going to wash all of the containers that I took out of the refrigerator, and then I will dry them and put them away.
It's just mad, but it feels like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the daytime. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold.
So now I'm going to spray the sink with some Lysol spray. I'm just going to let it sit for a little bit. And while I let that sit, I'm going to go ahead and fill up my cookie jar.
Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
Making moves, trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day, wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time, don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down, no time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah.
And now I'm going to clean all the countertops and the kitchen table. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to sweep and mop.
Figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again, try
So y'all, I actually filmed this video about a month ago, probably longer than that. And I'm just being honest, I didn't want to post it because when I went to edit it, I just did not like the way that I looked. I felt like I looked so bad in this video. But I decided to go ahead and post it anyway and just stop being so hard on myself. I'm that person where I like for things to look good all the time. And I don't like for people to see me at my worst or to see me looking bad. When I filmed this during the time when I wasn't feeling good and I was struggling with my energy. And when I was growing up, my mom used to always say that, you know, you don't have to look like what you're going through. And I just always carried that with me. But I'm starting to learn that it's okay. Things don't have to look perfect all the time. Everything is not going to be good. And I'm just trying to love me the way that I am and just be the best me that God created me to be. And I said all that to say, well, basically I'm saying it because I feel like somebody else may need to hear it as well, because somebody else may be going through the same thing and having the same thoughts that I'm having.
Try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. Don't wanna do this again. You must have felt this coming.
So now I'm going to put the rugs down, but I won't be lighting the candles and burning the wax like I normally do. I was getting ready to cook dinner after I filmed this, and I just decided to do all of that after I cooked to freshen my house back up.
Slept last night. Are you seeing someone new behind my back? Kiss another dude's for a little romance. Pick up the phone, I really need to understand.
Okay, y'all, we've come to the end of this video. I hope that I was able to give you some cleaning motivation, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you never miss an upload. And don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.
But when it comes to you, I've been feeling hesitant.